This is the moment of truth. This is so dry. Why is it so dry? Why is Domino's playing games with me? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So today I am going to do the 24 hours Domino's challenge. So मैं आज जो भी खाऊंगी मैं सब कुछ Domino's से ऑर्डर करने वाली हूँ. And you guys, in today's video I am going to eat a pizza after 15 years. I don't eat pizza. I actually don't like pizza. एंड मुझे चीज़ भी नहीं पसंद एंड आई नो दैट आई एम डूइंग अ डोमिनोज चैलेंज. सो ये सब तो होने ही वाला है. सो दैट इज़ द एक्साइटिंग पार्ट एंड या लेट्स सी कि क्या होता है. राइट नाउ इट इज़ 11:53. यू गाइस कैन सी. सो आज मैं कंपेरेटिवली जल्दी उठी हूँ इस चैलेंज को किक स्टार्ट करने के लिए एंड आई एम बेसिकली गोइंग टू ऑर्डर सम ब्रंच फॉर माई सेल्फ. आई थिंक आई एम गोना ऑर्डर गार्लिक ब्रेड. सो सुबह सुबह तो मैं पिज़्ज़ा नहीं खा सकती ऑब्वियसली. दे ऑल्सो हैव लाइक टाको एंड स्टफ. ओके, आई डिड नॉट नो कि डोमिनोज में टाको भी मिलता है. यू गाइज, मैं अभी उनका मेन्यू चेक कर रही हूँ एंड दे ऑल्सो हैव पास्ता एंड दे हैव चिकन विंग्स. दे हैव अ लॉट ऑफ लाइक डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ फूड जो मुझे पता ही नहीं था. सो आई थिंक आई एम गोना ऑर्डर अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ पास्ता ऑल्सो बिकॉज दिस इज ब्रंच. सो आई नीड मोर देन जस्ट गार्लिक ब्रेड. टिक्का मसाला पास्ता वेज. Okay, I placed my order. Brunch is going to be here in 30 minutes and tab tak I'm going to take a short nap and then we are going to have a good brunch. I am actually very excited. I'm not gonna lie, I do have like some high expectations because people really love Domino's ka food and so far I'm really impressed with their whole menu. They don't have just pizza dude, like they have so much of stuff which I'm really excited about and मैंने already सोच लिया है कि मैं बाद में क्या खाऊंगी.
A few moments later.
Hello you guys, so I took a shower. I feel so much better now, like I feel alive. मुझे लगता है मैं जब सुबह उठ के वो जो पोषण फिल्म किया था ना जहाँ पे I was ordering, I was like half dead. I don't even remember what I was saying. And उसके बाद I took a half an hour का nap and खाना आ गया है. I cannot wait to eat that. So I have my coffee right here and so good. Anyway, while I was showering ना मैंने सोचा कि मैं next क्या खाऊंगी actually Domino's से and I have decided that I want to eat their chicken wings because I love chicken wings, especially barbecue chicken wings. Now they don't have barbecue, उनके पास ऐसा normal hot sauce वाला था. I just hope कि इनके भी chicken wings बहुत अच्छे हो because it is relatively cheaper. I think 138 rupees का या कुछ है. So yeah, I hope that it is really yum. Anyway, so I just took a shower, washed my face and everything and we are going to do some skincare and for that today I am going to use this product that I've been dying to talk to you guys about. मैंने इधर उधर आप लोगों को ये 2-3 बार दिखा रखा है because I've had this for almost 2 months now and I've been using it religiously for 2 months. So Lakme launched the 9 to 5 vitamin C plus range. This range has 3 products. The first one is the 9 to 5 vitamin C plus serum. This is what it looks like. They also have a vitamin C plus day cream and they also have a vitamin C plus night cream. So you guys know ना, I love vitamin C. Like vitamin C is that one ingredient जो मेरे skin पे बहुत अच्छे से work करता है and I see really good results. So when I use this serum, I saw such amazing results, you guys. This has really helped to improve my skin texture. The serum is enriched with kakadu plum, which has 100 times more vitamin C than oranges. It has a very nice lightweight gel-like formula and ये ना बहुत easily skin में absorb हो जाता है. Can you see it's already absorbed? I like to take a few drops मेरे fingertips पे and then I'm just gonna massage it on my skin. This has 2% active vitamin C concentrate and also vitamin E. Vitamin C also protects your skin against pigmentation, anti-aging and also sun damage. And you guys can see for yourself how radiant my skin looks. It just instantly makes my skin so glowy and ऐसा नहीं है कि इसका effect नहीं रहता है. It will stay like this and also help to lighten a lot of my scarring. Now of course if you have really deep scarring तो उसमें बहुत months लगते हैं but जितने भी मेरी light scarring थी ना I have seen a significant difference. Now I really love इसका जो packaging है ना, it comes in a dark bottle. Now vitamin C should come in a dark bottle. कभी भी see through bottle में नहीं होना चाहिए. It loses its properties अगर वो sunlight के contact में आ जाता है. Now again I was really happy that the brand has disclosed the active ingredient percentage. Now this comes with this day cream. This is what it looks like. This is a very hydrating day cream. This has shea butter and vitamin E. It also comes with the vitamin C plus night cream. Now the night cream is packed with murumuru butter, shea butter and also glycerine. Now day cream के comparison में this is a bit thicker but it is not heavy at all. This night cream will also hydrate and moisturize your skin and it is perfect for overnight care. Now after you use your vitamin C serum, make sure that you apply sunscreen. Sunscreen is really important, you guys. Do not miss it. If you guys are looking for an effective, affordable, good vitamin C range, I would highly recommend you guys to check out this range by Lakme. I will provide a coupon code right here. You can use this to get 10% off and I will provide all the links in the description box below for you guys to check out. This coupon code is, by the way, not an affiliate code. It's only a discount for you guys. Okay, you guys, my brunch is here. Here is the pasta and then garlic bread and then the cheesy dip. This is the cheesy jalapeno dip. I chose jalapeno so that इसमें कोई flavor हो besides just cheese. Okay, so this is the pasta. This is vegetarian, by the way. It's really hot. इसमें पनीर है. Okay, you guys, this is the pasta and this has paneer in it. I'm really surprised कि इतना बड़ा chunk है पनीर का. पनीर महंगा होता है यार. Wow, this has a lot of sauce. I like that. मुझे ऐसे dry पास्ता ये सब नहीं खाना पसंद. Wow, it is spicy. Spicy. तीखा है but क्या फ्लेवर है इसमें इतना ज़्यादा. It's packed with flavor, you guys. This is literally the most desi pasta that I've ever eaten, like flavor wise. मैंने बिल्कुल एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था ये and I'm really surprised in a good way. I really just like the sauce. It's packed with so much of flavor. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है मैं मास्टर शेफ की जज हूँ, ऐसे बैठ के क्रिटिक कर रही हूँ डोमिनोज के खाने को. बट या इट इज़ टेस्टी, मुझे मज़ा आया. ओके, नेक्स्ट गार्लिक ब्रेड. मैंने कितने टाइम से गार्लिक ब्रेड नहीं खाया है. दिस इज़ योर गार्लिक ब्रेड. मैंने सिंपल वाला ही मंगवाया है. मैं ज़्यादा डिप नहीं लूँगी बिकॉज इसमें बहुत ये चीज़ी डिप ही है. मतलब स्मेल्स ओके. Okay, this is really tasty. It's a bit chewy, so थोड़ा टाइम लग गया but very light. मतलब ऐसे बहुत crisp नहीं है. That is what I like. It is tasty. Like this is something I can eat. Now this dip is also okay. Like it's a very cheesy jalapeno dip. If you like cheese, you will enjoy it. इस garlic bread में इतना flavor है actually. You don't need cheese और या फिर dip या कुछ भी. You know what? I'm not a foodie, but I'm so picky about my food. So if the food doesn't taste good to me, मैं upset हो जाती हूँ and I get so hangry. So now that I had the pasta and the garlic bread and मुझे दोनों बहुत पसंद आया. So I'm really happy. मैं अच्छे mood में हूँ. Okay, you guys, I'm really excited. My chicken wings are here. I cannot wait to eat these. So here is the dabba. Don't worry, I sanitized everything and उसके बाद ही I have them. Alright. This is what the wings look like. So इसमें 4 pieces है, but this doesn't look anything like the picture on Swiggy. So I ordered the roasted chicken wings classic hot sauce, but this doesn't have any sauce. They sent me dry chicken wings. This is literally illegal. Like look at this, you guys. Look how juicy the chicken wings look. Why is Domino's playing games with me? They mentioned इसमें कि this is roasted chicken wings classic hot sauce. Where is the sauce, I ask? I'm so disappointed. It's actually very tender and juicy, but इसमें कोई sauce नहीं है. So this needs a good sauce, जो वो hot sauce है या फिर barbecue sauce, any sauce. Like उसमें लिखा हुआ है hot sauce, so I don't understand why you won't give us hot sauce. अगर इसमें sauce होता ना, this would have been 10 on 10 because the quality of the chicken is really nice. I really liked it. I just hope कि next time मैं जब भी इसको order करूँ, I hope that they give me the sauce. It is time to order a pizza for the first time in like 15 years. I cannot even believe I'm doing this. Like seriously, I have my phone here. देखती हूँ कि कैसे कैसे pizza मिलता है. So I'm gonna order one for myself and one for my mom because my mom is a vegetarian. Margarita farmhouse. I think my mom will like farmhouse, so I'm gonna get her farmhouse. New hand tossed white thin crust. चीज बर्स्ट. आई थिंक उनको चीज बर्स्ट अच्छा लगेगा. मॉम का पिज्जा इज डन. नाउ फॉर मी आई एक्चुअली वांट टू हैव अ वेरी नाइस पिज्जा बिकॉज इफ आई एम गोइंग टू ईट चीज I need it to be chicken and I need it to be amazing. Oh, this is nice. Pepper barbecue chicken and onion. So pepper barbecue chicken for that extra zing. I think I'm gonna take this only. Okay, मैंने order place कर दिया. I am so nervous, you guys. I don't know how I'll eat that. Like seriously, मुझे बहुत doubt हो रहा है अपने ऊपर, but I want to eat it. Like मुझे पिज्जा का टेस्ट ही नहीं पता. लाइक आई एम रियली थिंकिंग पिज्जा कैसा टेस्ट करता है एंड आई एम होपिंग कि अच्छा होगा. लाइक यू नो आई रियली होप कि वो जो बारबेक्यू का फ्लेवर होगा इट विल ओवर पावर द चीजी फ्लेवर. बट या आई सी यू गाइस व्हेन इट्स हियर. आई थिंक 30 मिनट्स में ही आ जाएगा. ओके गाइस, एवरीथिंग इज हियर. आई डोंट नो व्हिच वन इज माय पिज्जा बट या. एंड लेट मी टेल यू गाइस, ये बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राई लग रहा है. आई डोंट नो, इट डजंट लुक टू. मैंने ना इससे पहले एक बार ही ऐसा चिकन बारबेक्यू पिज्ज़ा देखा है एंड दैट वाज व्हेन वी वेंट टू बीर एंड वहाँ पे अदिति एंड आर्श ने पिज़्ज़ा खाया था बारबेक्यू चिकन वाला. वो बहुत टेस्टी था बिकॉज आई जस्ट एट द चिकन बिट एंड वो बहुत टेस्टी था. उसमें सॉस भी था. दिस इज द मोमेंट ऑफ ट्रूथ. आई एम फाइनली ईटिंग अ पिज्ज़ा. दिस इज लिटरली अनरियल. Honestly, I am so confused because इसमें कोई सॉस नहीं है. लाइक पिज्ज़ा में एक ऐसा सॉस का लेयर भी होता है ना. आई कैन टेस्ट द चीज़. आई कैन टेस्ट एनीथिंग एल्स. आई कैन ओनली टेस्ट लाइक चीज़ एंड ब्रेड. एंड ये जो चिकन है इसमें कोई फ्लेवर नहीं है. आई एम गोना ईट अनदर स्लाइस. दिस इज सो ड्राई. व्हाई इज इट सो ड्राई? ओवर द इयर्स ना मैंने अपने फ्रेंड्स को अच्छा पिज्ज़ा खाते हुए देखा है. लाइक यू नो पिज्ज़ा दैट हैज़ गुड सॉस एंड दे ऑल्सो रियली लाइक इट. आई गेस मुझे कहीं और से पिज्ज़ा खाना चाहिए था. लेट मी नो कि कौन सा पिज्ज़ा होगा जिसमें एक अच्छा सा सॉस होगा. लाइक यू नो देयर इज लाइक अ लेयर ऑफ सॉस ऑन टॉप ऑफ द ब्रेड राइट एंड उसके ऊपर टॉपिंग्स एंड ये सारी चीज़ें होती हैं. दिस इज लेजिटिमेटली जस्ट bread and cheese and उसके ऊपर chicken. There is no flavor. Like I cannot explain it. It is so dry. But yeah, I also want to say that I don't mean to offend anyone जिसको डोमिनोज का पिज्ज़ा पसंद है. I take the full blame. Maybe मैंने ही कुछ गलत ऑर्डर किया है. So yeah, I am open to suggestions from you guys. तो मुझे ज़रूर बताना. And yeah, with that we come to the end of this video. कल by the time I wake up मेरा 24 hours वाला challenge खत्म हो गया होगा. So I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video and this was really interesting and challenging for me. So these videos are really helping me to push myself out of my comfort zone. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video because you guys wanted to see me eat a pizza. Let me know what other 24 hours food challenge you guys want me to do and I'll definitely do that. Thank you once again for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.